See, suppose this is your rectangular glass slab and there are the two faces. One face is this and the other face is this. Light enter from air to this medium, this is denser, and then from this medium to the air. Okay, as you know that the medium of the glass means the refractive index of the glass is greater as compared to the air. The speed of the light is greater in air as compared to that of glass. Air is real medium as compared to the glass. So when a light enter from air, okay, this is your incident ray. You can write this as incident ray. When it enter from air to the glass, then the medium changes, and in this point you have to draw a normal. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे एक normal draw करना है. You have to draw a normal. Actually the path of this ray, now the actual path of the ray is like this. Okay, this is the straight path, but as the ray enter from denser rear to the denser medium, so it bends toward the normal. ठीक है, ये normal की तरफ bend होगा like this way. Okay, so it change its path, ये अपना path change कर देगा और ये normal की तरफ bend हो जाएगा. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is your I, which is represented by I, means angle of incidence, and this one, the angle between, this is your refracted ray because this is after the refraction. So the angle between normal and the refracted ray is called angle of refraction. Now the turn is this. Okay, now we are talking about this phase when change its medium from denser to the rear. अब medium कैसे हो रहा है, denser से rear की तरफ हो रहा है. So what will happen at this point? From the normal means you have to make it like this. ठीक है, आपको उसको ऐसे बनाना है. So this is your emergence ray. Okay, this is your incident ray, this is your refracted ray, and this one is your emergence ray. And the angle between normal and emergence ray is called angle of emergence. Okay, this is represented by small e. Okay, now if you extend this line, this incident, if you extend your incident ray, अगर आप अपनी incident ray को बढ़ा दें तो look at this. एक्चुअल में इसको ऐसे जाना था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्लास स्लैब इसकी पाथ ये हो गया. ठीक है, नाउ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू मीन्स द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एमर्जेंस रे एंड इंसिडेंट रे इज कॉल्ड द लेटरल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. व्हाट दिस कॉल्ड, ठीक है, इसको क्या कहते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द लेटरल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ दिस इज योर इंसिडेंट रे, दिस इज योर रिफ्रैक्टेड रे, एंड दिस इज योर एमर्जेंस रे. This angle between incident and normal is called angle of incidence. Angle between normal and refracted is called refracted angle, and the angle between emergence ray and the normal is called emergence angle. And the distance between the emergence ray and the incident and the extended incident ray is called the lateral displacement. Okay.